Welcome back to BA Media. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe to be updated for a new opportunity to earn money online. In this exciting video, I am thrilled to share with you 4 incredible platforms that are supposedly paying individuals a whopping $30 every 10 minutes just for typing what they hear. Hey there, it's BA Media once again, your ultimate destination for unlocking the secret of making money online. Our YouTube channel is dedicated to empower individuals with the knowledge and strategies they need to thrive in the digital world. But before we dive in this amazing opportunity, let's start off with a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. Can we aim 5,000 likes within the next 24 hours? If we achieve that, I'll be hosting an incredible giveaway for you all. Let's get this party started. Now let's talk about the steps to earning this mind-blowing $30 every 10 minutes. Step 1 is about revealing the top 4 platforms that will generously pay you for typing what you hear. Step 2 is even more exciting because I will show you how to automate the work, so you won't have to do any typing if it's not your thing. And as if that's enough, Step 3 is an epic bonus where I will unveil how you can make a jaw-dropping $40,000 per month on complete autopilot. Can you believe it? The possibilities are endless. To automate all the typing work, we will be using the incredible Google Translate. It's a game changer. You will not only get paid for typing, but you will also earn even more if you can translate words into different languages. It's like double the fun and double the income. Isn't that amazing? Alright, let's dive into these fantastic platforms. First one on our list is Scribbly.com, a freelance transcription site where you can earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. They even provide automated transcripts to save you 60% of your typing effort. How cool is that? Next up is Go Transcript, a platform that pays you a generous 60 cents per audio minute. And guess what? You can choose your own projects and translate it into different languages to earn even more. Talk about flexibility and extra income. Now let's not forget about Transcribe Me, a platform where you can earn $60 to $70 per audio hour. And here's the best part. If you join their special team, you could make even more by utilizing your multilingual skills. But wait, there's more. Our final platform is Rev.com, one of the highest paying sites out there. They pay out weekly by PayPal, and you can earn $1.10 per audio minute, or a whopping $3 per audio minute, if you can rock the translations. How incredible is that? While these platforms can provide you with an awesome side income, I have something truly exceptional to share. If you're curious about how I have built a YouTube automation business that generates over $40,000 per month passively, you will definitely don't want to miss out. Click the link on the description below to learn all about it. It's an opportunity that can change your life. Remember, as you explore these incredible money-making opportunities, always conduct your own research and exercise caution. But hey, if you're craving even more ways to make money online, I've got you covered. Check out the additional training video linked right there. And thank you so much for joining me on this exciting journey. Stay positive, keep hustling, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care and let the money-making adventures begin.